Welcome to Chennai. This city embodies a perfect amalgamation of rich cultural heritage with modern technology, as it is a hub for automobile manufacturing, engineering, information technology, and healthcare sectors. The automobile sector based in this city is the backbone of the Indian economy. Chennai is expected to witness a growth rate of 8.17%, and its GDP will increase to $136 billion. This city has the highest number of flyovers in India, and it's also quite famous for its airport and beautiful seaports. In recent years, the epicenter of growth has begun to shift from the center of the city, slowly and gradually, to the southwest of Chennai. Oragadam in southwest Chennai is the largest and most developed industrial and commercial belt with the biggest automobile hub in South Asia. It is home to 22 Fortune 500 companies and it currently employs over 5 lakh people. This area will witness a steady upward growth trajectory as many big companies are investing a whopping 14,000 crore rupees in the technology and IT sectors. The energy sector here will see a steady investment of 3,300 crore rupees in the near future. The automobile and manufacturing sector will see an additional 16,000 crore rupees investment too. All these investments will give rise to lakhs of job opportunities in Oragadam. The government has taken a keen interest in this location and has begun ramping up the construction of civic and social infrastructure like roads and highways, top-of-the-line educational institutes, shopping areas, big multinational corporates, and world-class medical facilities. Oragadam is well connected via arterial roads with the cities of Chennai, Bengaluru, and other economic town centers in the state of Tamil Nadu. The proposed Greenfield Airport and Aerospace Park, along with other developments, will be constructed in close vicinity to Oragadam, boosting connectivity even further. At the heart of Oragadam lies one of Hiranandani's grandest projects, Hiranandani Parks Oragadam. This project is a self-sustainable 360-plus acre integrated township with world-class infrastructure. The entire project has an abundance of water supply, 24/7 security, electricity backup, as well as water and sewage treatment plants. Living in a Hiranandani home is an inordinate experience. The spacious 2.5 and 3-bedroom apartments come with large balconies, premium fittings and fixtures, double-height entrance lobbies, and podium gardens for each cluster. Hiranandani Parks offers premium ready-to-register villa plots with plug-and-play infrastructure. Built to suit options in our unique neoclassical architecture is also available. All this is enabled by a multitude of amenities. There's something for everyone here. From a 9-hole golf course to an actual cricket and football ground, we offer over 20 leisure and sporting amenities, as well as a massive clubhouse with all modern amenities like a half Olympic-sized swimming pool. What's more is that the township incorporates high street retail with over 20 stores operational, the iconic Triveni Academy, a school with 1,250 plus students already studying here, and a hospital with OT and ICU facilities. You will definitely find happiness here regardless of your age. Health and healthy living for the residents have always been a priority in Hiranandani townships. Thus, the township has over 2,000 trees, lush landscape podiums, beautiful themed gardens, walking and jogging paths, and a sports coliseum so that residents live a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. Life at Hiranandani is an experience like no other. Every resident is a part of a true community. Events and gatherings are held throughout the year for all residents, young and old. Hiranandani Park's Oragadam leverages the best of connectivity, social infrastructure, and future developments. The time is right to invest here, as this project is all set to be the next best residential destination in Chennai.